Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reactions. I really do appreciate you guys so much for coming back. Hi. I should say Kemari petty reaction because I do sometimes be petty and snarky and nasty, but I don't care. A lot of people really do feel like I hate some of these artists I react to. I really don't. If I didn't really like them, trust and believe me, I would not react to them. But anywho, I hope I pronounced her name right. Anahi, Anna. I'm just gonna call her Miss Blanchel. Her name is Anahi. This is El Mintío. She performed live in 2010 at the festival, the Viña. So someone sent me the link, and it was like, react to her song. Like, sure, why not? Why not? Hey. I do love a live instrument band. Come on, fans. No, she did. Okay, giving us it reminds me of who performance was it? It was Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera, and Madonna when when Britney Spears came out in their wedding dress. Oh, like a virgin, ooh, like a very first time. I won't lie to her, she looks good. Yes, come on, black man with the dreads. Come on, Faith. Faith.
Él me dijo que me amaba y no era verdad. Él me mintió, no me amaba, nunca me amó. Él dejó que lo adorara, él me mintió, era un juego y nada más.
Oh, I like that. Oh, rock starish. Come on, sister. Ooh. Oh, that was so good. Okay. Yes. on, Lady Gaga. Oh my god, the drama in this video. Oof. Come on, performance. Oh, he better play that instrument. Love it. I am gagging. Gagged. She is selling it. Come on, cheeks. Sell it, sister, sell it. He is... Yes.
Espectáculo de una mexicana que conocimos como una colegiala rebelde y que hoy brilla así, tal cual, con luz propia, con su carrera como solista, con este disco.
No offense, I don't care what they're saying. No offense to them. The song's over. But anywho, I want to say thanks to the one who recommended Reddit. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for the recommendation. You know, probably like next month or something, the one who recommended these videos to react to, I'm gonna shout them out in a video, but it's not now because I'm gonna get ready to go on this plane. COVID restriction, of course, and so much things I need to do for 2 weeks. But that was Miss Blonde Bombshell herself, El Mintío, at the festival 2020. Thank you guys so much for the reaction. I really do like it. I said it over and over before. I really do like her stage version. I think she's a gorgeous woman. Her body is always on point. Like, who's her trainer? Seriously, who's her trainer? I do have my own trainer because I'm losing weight myself, but I think since I'm a big boy, I'm losing weight, but I'm bulking on top of it while losing weight, versus when I first started losing weight, I was 200 pounds. I was like, you know, you could literally blow me away, but now it's not. So I kind of like this full figure. So I'm like trying to cut down my weight and then bulk up, like. But anywho, I really do appreciate it. I really do like her. I really do like her, and I love this performance. I think she sold the heck out of it. I'm surprised she didn't perform it last year though. This would be a very nice song because I know outside the group they have individual work. That would be very nice if they would have, you know, plug their own individual work in that performance. But you know, we all can't get what we want. So anywho, like I said before, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to the as always. You can do you as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.